Go back to the safe house. That's where Chad and Daniel wanted to meet.
Oh!
Where do you think you two are going?
We're going home. Show us how to disappear, Melvin.
I don't think so, but I can show you how to get knocked out.
Melvin, why won't you help us? Come on, be back with the Spy Ninjas.
And you're my brother. You have to help me. Show us how you disappear.
No! Let's fight!
It's Sunstars from Daniel. He's knocked out. I think we can bring him to the safe house. We can interrogate him and figure out how to disappear.
All right.
While he's down, come on, help me.
Oh, come on. Jeez.
Sketchy. All right, drag him in the house.
Oh, we just roll him up.
Like a burrito.
Ah!
Push! There we go. You'll be okay. Here, Mr. Squiggles will keep you company.
Okay, Spy Ninjas, we gotta convince PZ9 Melvin that he's Regina's brother so he can show us how to disappear.
That's one of the keys in order to defeat this whole Project Zorgo thing. You need to teach us how to disappear.
This is lame. I'm out of here.
Hold your horses, PZ9. I'm gonna stun star you.
Okay, fine. I hate those stun stars. Fine, I'm at your will.
Melvin!
Ah!
You're my brother.
You are psycho.
I know what to do. There's a way to prove that you guys are related, PZ9. I have a twin How do you say?
Telepathy.
Yes, that's it. A brother and sister challenge that will prove that you guys are related.
What does this even matter?
You need to teach me how to disappear, Melvin. You are my brother, and we're gonna prove it right now.
All right, bro sis, this challenge is gonna definitely prove that you guys are related. It's one of my faves. It's the dance challenge, dance battle. Because you guys know why? Because my moves are awesome.
Let's put it to the test.
Hey, Regina.
Let's get dancing.
Yeah! You guys are gonna be blindfolded to prove that you guys are really, truly related.
And if we move the same way, I'll prove you were my brother. Come on.
I don't move like that.
You ready, Melvin PZ9?
You got royalty-free jams?
You know it. Ready? Funky chicken! Whoa, you guys look like twins! Look at you guys! How about try the robot? Oh, the next one should be the Carlton!
Ooh. Are we doing it?
You're totally doing it!
I'm feeling it.
No, you guys are looking really good. I'm having a lot of fun doing this. Let's do the shuffle.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh, these guys are twinsies!
Twinsies.
Let's see how they do. Freestyle! DJ, hit the music!
Doesn't that prove anything to you? We did almost the same dance, blindfolded, on our freestyle. Come on, Melvin! What's it gonna take?
It proves nothing besides maybe we're on top of the latest dance trends. There's nothing that says that we're related.
Okay, Melvin, if you're not convinced enough, I have another challenge for you. Here, you guys. It's a curtain. Regina's gonna be on that side of the curtain. PZ9 Melvin, you're gonna be over here. All right, guys, this first challenge here is gonna show how similar you guys think alike because you're brothers and sisters.
No.
You guys even look alike. Take it off.
Take off this. and-
See? Yeah, and how about this too?
Come on, yeah. See, underneath your mask, you're beautiful like me.
Oh, look how handsome you are. Oh, look at that.
Siblings.
Aw.
We're both Filipino. It makes sense.
Yeah.
No!
Okay, you don't believe me, PZ9? Let's put it to the test. You are gonna pick an item here, but you gotta think about the color. Think really hard, all right? And then Regina is gonna try and read those thoughts through your brother and sister bond.
That's right.
And if we pick the same item, that means we're related?
Exactly. Okay, Melvin, what are you gonna pick?
Well, I don't want to be obvious, so I shouldn't pick my favorite color. But then again, does Regina even know my favorite color? Or should I just pick something random?
This is one of my favorite colors. It's like my second favorite color.
So maybe you're related to Regina.
That doesn't make any sense. Okay, PZ9, are you gonna play this fair and square? Just think about this color right now. Think real hard. Okay, Regina, you ready?
I'm thinking real hard. I'm getting that brother-sister telepathy going on. It's between these two. I think I know.
Okay. Are you guys ready?
Ready?
3, 2, 1, reveal.
I did it! I did it!
Wait, no, she picked the Lego. She picked the wrong thing. I picked the car.
Hey, we're doing color, boy! Seems like you're my brother!
I didn't even do it right. Yeah, okay, fine.
Hug me, brother!
See, it proves it. You guys picked the same color. You're related.
Didn't you always want a sister?
I mean, there were like 20 items on the board, and we just each chose one at random for a possible 3% chance that could have happened.
I think it totally proves that you guys are brother and sisters.
I'm not convinced in the slightest bit.
Melvin! Oh! You are going to do what we say, okay? Another test! Another test!
Wow, Regina, you're actually being extra spicy today. I'm usually the spicy one.
Just so angry at Melvin. Is it good though?
Yeah, it's actually really good. So I'm gonna kick it down a notch on the Scoville scale and I'll just be a little mild, you know?
I'll be habanero.
Okay, Melvin, this next challenge here.
I'll just haul up in your business.
I like your puns. That was really good, Melvin. It's really nice. Okay, anyway, so here are a bunch of numbers here. You and your sister will be picking out 2 numbers, and I bet it's gonna be exactly the same because you're related.
Wow.
Okay, Regina, you should go first this time.
Okay. Sending over my brainwaves to Melvin.
Okay. Good, that's good. Think about it. Hey, get out of our fridge. All right, Regina, pick 2 numbers. You gotta receive it from her. Just think about it, Regina. Think hard.
Oh, shoot. You got ants. You guys have ants up in here.
You really do?
There. Dead. I guess I'll pick this one.
Okay, Melvin, pick another one. Oh, it's upside down though.
Are we the same?
I picked 3 and 6.
I picked 3 and 9.
No, you picked 9, Melvin. That's a 9.
Yeah, that is a 9. Hey, hug me again! Hug me, brother!
You gotta be kidding me! I only picked the 3 to destroy that ant! And then I thought I picked 6!
It don't matter. That's not what the cards say. The cards say we're related.
Well, what do you want me to do? Send you a happy sister day? I don't know!
That would be nice, but teach me how to disappear.
I'm still not convinced!
Well, I don't care. It's working out so far. I can't even believe it myself.
Ooh, wait a minute. You guys both picked 3939. What if that's the code to the red safe?
We gotta try it out.
We gotta try it. Excuse
What
me.
is that?
Excuse me. It's right here. Spy Ninjas at home. If this is your guess, today's the day. Ready? 3, 9, 3, 9. Enter.
Incorrect. Try again in 24 hours.
Oh, is that it?
One day we'll get this thing open.
Yes, one day soon. All right, this next one, I got candy. All right, Regina, pick a candy and let's see if Melvin will pick the exact same one.
Maybe our mama used to give us the same candy growing up. This is my favorite right here.
Oh my gosh, I would have picked that same one too. Spy Ninjas at home, let me know in the comments below what's your favorite candy.
I would honestly like to eat all of them. Is that against the rules? I'll pick my favorite, but I'm gonna eat it all!
You can eat it all if you tell us how to disappear.
I guess I'm on a diet then. Why would I even teach the Spy Ninjas how to disappear? Are you guys even worthy? V, you don't even have as much subscribers as Chad does! Does that mean he's a better YouTuber than you?
How dare you? What are you talking about? Spy Ninjas at home, I'm almost at 9 million subscribers. Make sure
That's so
to prove
awesome.
Melvin PZ9 wrong by taking your phone, turn it this way. If that subscribe button is red, make sure to make it gray because I want to prove him wrong.
I think Regina said something about if our mothers were the same, they would have probably fed us the same thing.
Yeah? Oh my gosh, you guys, reveal to each other. 3, 2, 1.
Mama fed us markers! That's why we're so crazy! I'm just
Hey!
kidding. Reese's!
Mama fed us Reese's! Hug me, brother! So do you believe me now?
Huh?
Do you believe me now? Do you believe that you and I are brothers and sisters? You are my kuya.
You're what? You're cool.
Kuya! That means older brother in Tagalog.
It looks like she knows what she's talking about.
So what is it? Do you believe us or not?
I don't believe this test. I think it's rigged.
I swear, it's all real. We didn't plan this out.
Spy ninjas are honest and loyal and brave. We do not do that. I'll prove it to you, Melvin. I'm gonna play around with you.
Yeah, maybe we're related.
You wish. Okay, PZ9, you go first.
Well, I've already selected Reese's, so I'll save this one for later. For this challenge, though, I'm gonna pick the most V out of all these chocolates. And that's gonna be...
V,
Are you thinking about it, Melvin? You gotta be sending some signals to me.
send some signals.
Okay, I got a signal coming up. Give me like 5 minutes to warm up my signal.
No. I know what that is.
Stop.
I am going to, I think maybe... Okay, you ready?
Reveal in 3, 2, 1.
Oh!
What did you pick?
I picked Kit Kat because there's 2 of them, and I can share one with Chad for later.
No wonder both of you are so skinny. You share a fun size? I chose Almond Joy because it's my least favorite.
Wait, this is not a full-size candy bar? See, Melvin? We're not related. I was trying to read your signals, but I couldn't do it. You guys are definitely brothers and sisters.
First of all, I didn't even release my signal. You didn't let me. Second of all, I still don't think this is enough evidence to prove anything.
Come on! I picked the wrong one.
It's not over yet, Melvin. We still got more challenges.
All right, guys, I present to you chicken nuggets, Regina's favorite, taco, Chad's favorite, corn dogs. Is that your favorite?
It's probably Daniel's because it looks...
Hey, don't talk about Daniel like that. Shh, you're in at the safe house. Anyways, if you guys eat this food the same way, that means that you guys probably grew up eating right next to each other in the dining table. So let's get started. Back to back, so you guys don't see
Okay.
each other. Do what comes naturally to you.
Okay.
Commence challenge. Who cooked these?
Some chef, I think.
It's burned!
Babe, didn't you cook these?
I only use this thing like twice a year, okay? This is the best I can do.
Still pretty good.
They taste really good. They have a nice little crispy char on the outside.
OMG, you guys. You guys are eating your chicken nuggets the exact same way. You guys are dipping it in barbecue and then ranch.
You do that too?
Are you putting your ranch in your barbecue?
No, I put the barbecue in the ranch, obviously. Melvin, we realize this is probably what we did as kids, and it's stuck with us.
I don't think so. If you would have given me a honey mustard, heck, I would have dipped into all 3.
I would too, yeah. This proves it. Do we have to eat more food to prove it?
Are you guys ready to eat the taco?
Taco Tuesday.
Taco taco.
Oh yeah,
It's Sunday.
it's Sunday.
Anyways, and eat.
The only way to get a taco.
Melvin, look at your taco and then look at Regina's taco. Do it right now. Hold your taco up.
No way. Melvin, no one eats their taco like this.
Like literally no one else does.
What the heck?
Nobody ever eats the tacos like that. I've been with Chad forever and I've seen him eat like millions of tacos and never, ever eaten it like this.
You want to get the best piece, which is the meat. The
middle.
You want to like bite into it first.
You guys are totally related. You're brothers and sisters.
Hug me, brother.
Hug her.
Well, I wasn't really sold on the rest of these challenges, but that taco dealio, I think that kind of
Yeah, that's pretty crazy.
sells it.
He's starting to remember, Regina. Maybe you can get some of your costume thingy and put like a fake beard on his face.
We can show him some old videos.
Yeah.
See that they look alike.
Yeah, the original Melvin, not this shaven Melvin.
Let me get a beard.
Okay, Melvin, you're starting to believe. I can feel it.
Yeah, we eat alike.
Melvin, I got a way that can draw back some of your memory. The original Melvin PZ9 that we used to know.
Draw.
That's supposed to be a beard.
There we go.
Okay, Melvin, watch this video right here. This is you and Regina doing skull and crossbones.
Skull.
And crossbones!
Ha!
Back at it again.
Well, that beard is way better than this whole thing.
Close enough.
Yeah.
It tastes weird.
Ew, you're not supposed to taste it. But anyways, look at this. Regina went emo once, and she hung out with you. Look at you guys.
I'm taking a break from the Spy Ninjas right now. Especially Daniel.
Yeah, he sucks.
He does suck.
Whoa, that's a look.
Yeah. 2 black peas in a pod. Okay, here's the biggest one of all. Of you sacrificing yourself, proving that you're a true big brother of Kuyo.
Kuya. Melvin, you don't have to do this. You love your beard.
I do, but not as much as I love family. Skull and Crossbones forever!
Skull and crossbones.
Ah! Oh my god! That looks gross!
See, Melvin? You saved me. You were a good guy.
What the heck?
That's you shaving your beard for me. And then they brainwashed you and turned you into this evil PZ9 again.
So I didn't always look like this?
You had a beard, a big old beard. Maybe this will help. Skull
And
and crossbones. Is he doing it?
he's getting close, Regina. Just wait for it, wait for it.
No! I am not your brother!
Regina, are you okay? Yeah. Come on.
He's running. He's in the backyard.
He's running away! Oh my gosh, hurry!
Get him! Get him!
Oh my gosh, Melvin! Melvin, he's going! What's he doing?
Where's he going? After the pool! What the heck? What is he doing? Just wants to go for a swim?
Regina, can you go check it out? It's that deep end.
Okay, I'll check. Is he okay? I don't see him.
Wait, what do you mean?
His mask is here. And his green vest. Melvin!
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 Well, where is he?
He just left his mask. Do you see that?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. There's something right in the back of his mask.